everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Stremio on your Android TV so you can watch movies and shows directly on the big screen. If you've tried to find Stremio on your Android TV and can't see it in the Play Store, don't worry. Now, let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Enable unknown sources on Android TV. Go to Settings, then Security and Restrictions, then Unknown Sources. Enable it for the browser or file manager you'll use to install Stremio. Without this step, the TV won't allow APK installations, so it's essential. Step 2. Download the official Stremio APK. Using a browser on your TV or PC, visit the official Stremio website. Download the latest APK version for Android. Make sure it's the official site to avoid malware. Step 3. Transfer the APK to your TV. If you download it on PC, transfer the APK via USB drive or cloud storage, like Google Drive, etc. Open a file manager on your Android TV to locate the APK. Click on the APK file and follow the on-screen prompts to install Stremio. Once installed, the Stremio app icon will appear on your TV's home screen or apps list. Step 5. Sign in or create an account. Open Stremio and log in with your existing account or create a new one. This keeps your library, add-ons, and watch lists synced across devices. Step 6. Install verified legal add-ons. Open the Stremio add-ons catalog and install verified legal add-ons like YouTube or public domain content. This ensures smooth playback and avoids broken links. And that's it. Stremio is now installed in your Android TV and ready to stream content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy streaming guides.